Hey guys, Cody here from ZP Reviews, giving you a big what up. Just wanted to introduce myself formally on the channel and get into some of the fun. I know Drew's been having a lot of fun with you guys, giving away a ton of great nuggets from our business. But yeah, so I just want to say hi, give you guys a quick introduction. So a little bit about me, as you can see that I'm sweating profusely on my afternoon walk. A little bit about me. Have an accounting background, CPA. It was a lot of fun going through that path, but it's been really beneficial, I will say, having come from financial services, professional services, and it's definitely helped us in more ways than one. Obviously, Drew with his engineering background as well, very complementary. Kind of skill sets coming to the table. Actually, this isn't technically my first video. Drew and I actually tried to do a co-video. We live in different states, which is why you might not see us on camera together as much as maybe some other YouTubers, but we actually did have some technical difficulties. Somebody forgot to turn the mic on one side of the equation, so we definitely do expect to put out a video together soon, kind of talking about the pros and cons of partnership, always important, and kind of just talking about some of our experiences with that. But for now, like I said, just give you guys a little bit of background. So talked about my professional services background, and one of the things that I've kind of dealt with in the business is kind of the formal structure. So saying, you start a business, most people, if you're selling online, you're going to want some form of legal protection. And so for us, we went right out, got an LLC. Depending on if an LLC is right for you, we could definitely talk more about that in a different video. If you guys want, you could just comment below. We talk more about that. But yeah, so Drew and I went out, we got the LLC. Kind of from there, you get your kind of necessaries, your EIN number. For those of you that don't know what an EIN is, that's pretty much the equivalent of a business's social security number. And so you need that to open up a business checking account and apply for that really pretty Chase Sapphire card that everybody talks about. If you don't know what that is, it's pretty much cheat codes for paid advertising. You pretty much get bonus points for Facebook ads and things like that, which anytime you're reducing costs on paid traffic, it's a win-win. So anyway, so we got the LLC, EIN number. Took a couple weeks. Like I think I said, we used LegalZoom. Really couldn't be happier with them. They just offer a really, really great service. And actually, funny story. So because Drew and I live in different states, one of the big issues that we had is, doing online retail. It can get a little bit confusing with sales tax, if you have to register within your state. So as an example, Drew and I actually, our LLC is organized in Delaware. So if that isn't, if it isn't confusing enough that we live in two different states, our business is in a third state. So one thing that LegalZoom did that was so helpful, I think it's called Business Advantage Pro. I'll link it below, but pretty much what it is it's a consultation service that you pay for. I think we got it on special, so I think ours was like 10 or 20% off the list price. But let's just say it costs like $300. Pretty much you get unlimited consultations with a lawyer or a tax accountant. And so for me, yes, I'm a CPA, but typically in my career, I've done mostly audit work. So I don't file tax returns, especially the state usage, like for sales tax and online retail. It's not my specialty. So it was so helpful for Drew and I literally to be able to set up a 30-minute call with a licensed attorney in whatever state. So for example, we spoke to 3 attorneys, one in my state, one in Drew's state, and then one in Delaware. and that's it. Then we spoke with the general counsel. We also spoke with 2 tax accountants, just to kind of verify some information as we got more info from the attorneys. But if you could believe that, though, we've spoken easily with 6 to 7 people, and let's just say already if we paid $300, I think we paid like $280, but if we spent $300, it would have. I know you people out there who have an accountant or an attorney, you're probably just like, that's crazy that we just got all that for that little. But anyway, like I said, really couldn't have been happier. Another thing that we got from them, this is actually kind of more of like a informal legal Zoom review, because they've just been great. But we also had document review. So like Drew had mentioned, we do clients. So, when I drafted an engagement letter, I was able to have an attorney review it, make sure that the contract made sense. We're not going to get sued. Anyway, so point being is, I just wanted to, like I said, introduce myself, talk a little bit about it. For any of you guys out there that feel like you're stuck, or that you don't have any options, or that you really want to do an online business, or you're different. You don't like taking orders. You don't feel comfortable sitting in a cube. There's options for you. I know I'm going all over the place. That's just kind of how I am. Obviously, you see the way Drew talks. He's the same. There's a reason why we're friends. But yeah, I mean, like Drew said, there's just so many tools out there. There's so much opportunity. I mean, the fact is that, Drew and I have been doing this for 6 months. We've seen incredible growth, great sales. It was really hard. A lot of late nights, a lot of early mornings, not taking your lunch, to go to Chipotle and hang out. But it's just been totally worth it. Very humbling experience too, when you come from corporate, to have full control over your business and to be making decisions that directly add to your bottom line is absolutely priceless. So yeah, so for any of you guys out there who are unsure, or think that you don't have what it takes, I promise you, Drew and I we're smart, but we're not the smartest in the bunch. But hard work, determination, having a strategy, watching videos like this, or following people on YouTube, or reading blog articles, you really can fill in the gaps if you have the passion, the burning desire. There's just so much opportunity out there. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to say hi. It's a short video. I hope you guys enjoyed listening to me rant and ramble, but it's nice meeting all of you. Gonna drop a few more videos in the next week or so. I just got a new business laptop, so really psyched. For those of you out there needing to purchase something, starting a business is great, because now it's tax write-off. Use it for my business, have a brand new laptop. I'm super excited. And like I said, Drew and I are still definitely going to do that video on the pros and cons of partnership, and give you guys kind of an inside look to kind of the way that we do business internally, and kind of structure everything. So Cody from ZP Reviews signing off. Talk soon.